And now I can remove the fenders. They're just held in place by a random few self-tapping screws. But before I do that, I'm gonna mark where those beams are here. I'm gonna cut this fender in half, and that part will be welded into this frame, but the front piece will be removable to make some work in the future a little bit more comfortable. Now I can remove the fender. It's marked. Got that one as well. All marked. I'm gonna put this pipe in here. It's nice and strong, as most of this steering stuff here and was kind of built when I really didn't exactly know where something is coming. And here, I don't know if you can understand, the windshield motor, wiper motor needs to sit below that, so all this needs to go. And yeah, quite a lot of cutting and figuring stuff out. So look at this mess that's going on here right now. Later it will be much cleaner and nicer. Now I'm fabricating those 8-pillar strengthening pieces, or 8 pillars. For that I got the piece out of that pipe and cut this in half, so there I have 2 angle pieces like that. And now I can start marking, and it needs to be bent. Let's get to work. This part for the 8-pillar is ready, and now I can put some primer on it. So those are welded in, and now I already cut this upper part. Then now I'm gonna make a strengthening piece for up here, because right now it's quite rather flimsy. Now I have this piece roughly cut out. Now I'm gonna bend it. Let me think, am give it some more, yes. Let's do this like so. And now I'm gonna check. Now I can do some more cutting probably. And okay, go from there. See now? Now we are talking. That part is ready now. Now I can prime some of the inside and this flange parts which will overlap, and then we can weld it in. So I'm gonna make this here so I can cut this temporary piping off here and get this clean. Now I'm gonna cut it. So now I have this piece cut out. Now I'm gonna bend the flange here with a bender, and this all aids I will need to do manually. It's not gonna be 90 degrees. I think something like that is spot on. Slight change of design. Since I have very limited amount of space, it's going to be a little bit tricky, but we will manage. And now I can bend it again. I have the middle part of this water draining system done. Not done, but the pieces are ready, it's screwed together. And now I can cut this lip to the correct shape which matches the hood. I'm going to take it off now. Get it in with just one clamp. And in the middle here this wooden block supports it, so there's a small gap between the engine and this. Yeah, it consists of several pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. You can see I have marked this edge, and now I will cut it, and then I will take it all apart, paint all the flange parts which will be overlapping, and then later on when the paint has dried we can weld this off the vehicle. So let's see if we can get this steering wheel back in. It is time to weld this rain cutter piece together. So those are all in and nice. And now the last piece of this puzzle. We got that. And it goes here like so. That is all welded now. We're gonna grind all those spot welds nice and flat. So got this all ground down. Looking nice.